Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shalix, but you guys can call me Rosario or Shelly, whichever you guys prefer. In this video, I am going to clean my disgusting fridge. I cannot believe I let myself go with cleaning my fridge up, but I decided to do a deep clean. So if you guys like these type of videos, just keep on watching. So when it comes to cleaning my fridge, I like to do in sections because when you clean your fridge, you have to go really fast because you don't want to spoil your food. So what I do is just do the freezer first, clean that up, and then put everything back. You can see here I am scrubbing this Coke that was spilled in my freezer for a few weeks, and yeah, really disgusting. So I had to scrub that down, but in the end it looked great, and I just, yeah, don't put glass Cokes in your freezer, people, because they will explode. Now, one tip I do recommend while you're cleaning your fridge is make sure that your fridge is not that full. Mine was not that full, mainly because this was Saturday that I cleaned my refrigerator, and on Sunday I usually do grocery shopping, so I thought it was like the perfect time to clean out my fridge before groceries. So yeah, that is why towards the end of the video there's not much food in the fridge, but I have a clip at the end showing you how it all looked like when I did have some groceries. So this is when I start doing the bottom portion. You guys, I am so embarrassed, but I'm just keeping it real. This is how my fridge looked after a few months without cleaning it. So disgusting, so upset with myself. I will never let this get to this point ever again. So yeah, watching this and editing this, I'm like, ew girl, you are gross. But this is real life, and I just wanted to show you guys what real life is. Yes. So, thank you for not judging me and being so supportive, because I love you guys. And yeah, thank you. Now you would just see me here making sure everything that was in my fridge, making sure it was all good. Anything that was expired, I just poured out or threw out. And I am cleaning the bottom parts of some of these items because I don't know if you guys seen the other clip, but it was gross in the little container thingies, whatever those are called. You see here, nasty, nasty, but I had to do it, so just keep on cleaning. I'm just quickly cleaning all these containers with Dawn soap. I feel like that's much better than actually using bleach or any other type of chemicals. So I had to stop filming because my camera died, like always, because my camera doesn't like to be charged. But anyways, I did state before that I like to clean in sections so the food doesn't get that spoiled. So you just see me here putting in the clean portion of this side in, making sure everything's all in order. I made sure I put all the condiments and the sauces all together, and yeah, it looks pretty good, I think, and hopefully it stays like this, and it will, because I would never get that dirty again. Now on to the final side of the fridge. Just like before, I just take everything out and make sure I have it all nice and clean. I do have a bunch of organization containers that I also washed as well, because I want this fridge looking nice. Most of these containers came from either Ross or Marshalls, and they were about $2.99 to $5.99, so I thought they were perfect to make sure that every item, not every item, but like every category has its own place. I wanted just to pop in here real quick, and if you guys haven't already, please follow me on my Instagram at Styled by Rosario. By the end of the month, I am going to announce a giveaway. The reason why I'm doing it at the end of the month is because I am going to be working 2.5 weeks straight in August. So yeah, that's the only time when I can really actually start a giveaway. So yeah, keep an eye on my Instagram for that announcement. OMG, guys, this is so gross. I did not realize this part of the fridge gets this disgusting. That's gross. So to make sure I am nice and organized, of course I have a labeling machine. So I start labeling each organizational container to its own categories, like fruits, vegetables, any other items that I normally always have in my fridge. But yeah, you can see me printing them out. I love this thing. This is like the best thing ever. I'm gonna have that link below. So if you guys love to label like I do, this is definitely a great thing to do, because look at how organized this is. It's awesome. And then you'll see me here. These things were taking way too long to dry, so I decided just to hand dry them myself, because I needed to get this process moving and I was already tired. So yeah, this is what you see me doing right now. I did put it on the floor on top of a towel. I mean, you know, this is what I do. If you have a better way, then that's also good. But this is, I guess, this is the best way for me, because my kitchen is so small that I really couldn't fit all those items on my countertop. So yeah, that's why you've seen them on the floor on top of the towel. As you can see here, I start putting all the shelves right back in the fridge so I could start putting everything together. And you can see here I am all done, and I feel like this looks awesome, nice and clean and organized. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if this gave you motivation to clean your fridge, give me a thumbs up. And also please remember, if you are new, please subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it, and hit that bell to get notified every time I upload a video. I will greatly appreciate it. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.